ପିଙ୍କି ପାଠଶାଳାକୁ ୱାନ୍ସ ଏଗେନ୍ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ଇଂଲିଶ ପେପରର ଆନ୍ସର ଉପରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। ଲେଟ୍ ଅସ୍ ଡିସ୍କସ୍। ଦି ୱାର୍ଡ ଇନସଲଭେଣ୍ଟ ମିନ୍ସ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଡେଞ୍ଜରିୟସ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ନୋଟଲେସ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରପ୍ଟ, ଅପସନ୍ ଡି ରିଚ୍। ଇନସଲଭେଣ୍ଟର ସିନୋନିମସ୍ ୱାର୍ଡ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରପ୍ଟ। ତେଣୁ ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ shows the day, chose the appropriate ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଦି above ଇଂଲିଶ proverb। ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଏଇଟା ତୁଳସୀ ଦୁଇ ପତ୍ରରୁ ବାସେ। ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ ହେଉଛି ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର। ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 83, he was born with a silver spoon in his mouth, find out the appropriate meaning of the above sentence। He was born in the poor family ହେବନି, he was born in the middle class family, he was born with the congenital disorder in his mouth, he was born in a rich family। most probably answer ହେଉଛି he was born in a middle class family। ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ପାପ ଧନ ପ୍ରାୟଶ୍ଚିତ ଯାଏ, ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ୍ ଦି above proverb in ଓଡ଼ିଆ into English। as you sow as you reap, ଏଇଟା ନାହିଁ। ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି, ଟେକ୍ କେୟାର ଅଫ୍ ଦି panic and the pounds will take care of themselves, ଏଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ହେବ ନାହିଁ। ill God ill sped, ଏଇଟା ବି ତାର appropriate answer। ତେଣୁ ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 85, ରାଜା ରାମମୋହନ ରାୟ was an atheist, atheistର chose the correct meaning of the underline word। atheist means a person who believe in God। ତେଣୁ ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, instruction for question number 86 to 88, fill in the blanks with the appropriate preposition। question number 86, beware dash of the pickpockets, beware of the pickpocket। answer question number 86 answer ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ, beware of the pickpockets। next, I prefer that dash dishonored, option A from, option B to, option C in, option D then। I prefer that to dishonored। ତେଣୁ ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, he could not comply with my demand। ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି 89, I could not lay by anything for future due to my family complications, chose the correct meaning of the underline phrase। I would not lay by anything, lay by means ଏଥିରେ ସେଭିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ବୁଝାଉଛି। ତେଣୁ ଆର ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଡି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, question number 90, the commission decided to abolish the prevailing system of recruitment examination। abolish ମାନେ ଲୋପ କରିଦେବା ବା ଉଚ୍ଛେଦ କରିବା। ତାର ମିନିଂ ହେଉଛି do away with, ହେଉଛି appropriate answer। ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ହେଉଛି ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି question number 91, find out the sentence with a which is grammatical correct। grammatical correct ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସକୁ ବାଛିବାକୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି। question number 91 ଦେଇଛି, he is more senior than me by 2 years। option B, he is senior to me by 2 years। option C, he is senior than me for 2 years। option number D, he is senior than me by 2 years। ଆର most appropriate ହେଉଛି he is senior to me by 2 years। ତେଣୁ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି। नेक्स्ट होची क्वेश्चन 92 I as well as John are to blame. I as well as John were to blame. I as well as John am to blame. I as well as John is to blame. आर आंसर होची क्वेश्चन नंबर 92 रो एप्रोप्रिएट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर डी. I as well as John is to blame. 92 सरला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 93 lion is a beast of prey. The lion is a beast of prey. The lion is the beast of prey. Lion is the beast of prey. Lion is a common sense ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ତେଣୁ lion ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଦି ଲାଗିବନି ତେଣୁ ଏହାର appropriate answer ହେଉଛି option number A. Lion is a beast of prey. Similarly, autobiography means a record of one's life written by himself. 94 option number A होची यार आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 95 लेट अस डिस्कस हैप्पीनेस और सैडनेस इज ट्रांजिटरी इन ह्यूमन लाइफ. ट्रांजिटरी माने स्वल्प समय पे. ए होची प्रीफिक्स, बी होची शॉर्ट लिव, सी होची इनवेटिबल, डी होची पेरामानेंट. ट्रांजिटरी मीन्स स्वल्प समय. दैट इज एप्रोप्रिएट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी होची यार आंसर. See 96 question number 96 a person who lives at the same time with another are a single word से पचाची. ऑप्शन होची कम्प्लीट, बी होची एक्टिविस्ट, सी होची एजेंट, डी होची कम्प्लीमेंटरी. एटा एप्रोप्रिएट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी कम्प्लीमेंटरी. नेक्स्ट question number 97 prevention is better than cure. Choose the correct path of speech of the underlined word. क्यूर आपन नाउन रूप में व्यवहार होइए. नाउन इन प्रेडिकेट फॉर्म. क्वेश्चन नंबर 98 the man was beaten black and blue by the villagers. means black and blue means severely. Answer होची ऑप्शन नंबर बी severely. Similarly, the statement of the principal as communicated to all in black and white means black and white means लिखित आकारे. तार that means ऑप्शन नंबर डी होची आंसर राइटिंग. Similarly, question number 100 he said instruction for question number 102 transform the sentence into indirect speech. He said to me, may you be happy. आर आपको जब आम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच देखा he said to बदल आम विश रही. he wished me, may you be happy बदल may you wished me that तो लगे एपस्टॉप कमा था. यू बदल आई हो आई माइट बी हैप्पी. तेणु यार आंसर होची क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 101 रामा सेड टू मी आर यू गोइंग देयर. सेड टू बदल आम आस्क हो रामा आस्क मी हो. आर क्वेश्चन पचार क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस आम विदेर आसो दैट बदल रामा आस्क मी विदेर. यू बदल आई हम आई वाज गोइंग दैट आई वाज गोइंग देयर. तेणु आर मध्य ऑप्शन नंबर ए होची आंसर. राम आस्क मी विदेर आई वाज गोइंग देयर. Similarly, the teacher said to me, you are wrong. Say to बदल told है. The teacher told me एपस्टॉप कमाउला that लगला. You are wrong means I was wrong. The teacher told me that I was wrong. आर आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Similarly, Dash sun rises in dash east, ମାନେ ଦି sun rises in the east, ଦିଗ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଦି ଲାଗିବ, sun ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦି ଲାଗିବ, ତେଣୁ ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ। What is the feminine gender of fox? Vixen, ମାନେ ମାଇ କୋକିଶିଆଳକୁ ଭିକ୍ସେନ୍ କୁହାଯାଏ। Similarly, the room needs repair, ଆକୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଭଏସ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା, the room is being repaired, ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ହେଉଛି ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର। ନେକ୍ସଟ ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଦେଇଛି 106 to 110ର ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫରେ ପଢ଼ିକି କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିବା। ସେ କହିଛି what is the meaning of the underlined word in the passage? The confinement ତାର ମିନିଂ ହେଉଛି imprisonment, ତେଣୁ ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଏରେ ବନ୍ଦୀ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି how did the friends and pupils of Socrates find him in the prison? ମାନେ calm and cheerful, ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ calm and cheerful। How did Socrates behave with his people in the prison? ସେ କେମିତି କରୁଥିଲେ ନା did not take and teach his peoples, ଏଇଟା wrong। told his peoples to arrange for his escape, wrong। did not behave well with his peoples, that is also wrong। talk and taught his peoples as well, ଆଗ ପିଲା ସେ ପଢ଼ଉଥିଲେ, ତେଣୁ ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଡି। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 109 how did the Greek exile people by making them drink hemlock, ବିଷ ପିଇକି ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲେ। how did Socrates face the death? angrily protesting, wrong। option B crying and shouting, no, that is also wrong। repaining and cursing, wrong। calmly without whooping or complaining, that is correct answer। next ପଢ଼ିବା ଆମେ fill in the blanks with appropriate and correctly spelled word, ଚାରିଟା ଠିକ୍ କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସରକୁ ମାନେ ୱାର୍ଡ଼କୁ ଆମେ ମାନେ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ରଖିବା। fill in the blanks with appropriate and correctly spelled words, that is Gandhi's death was in dash ये होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी, गांधीजी डेथ वाज एन इम्पेरेबल लॉस टू द कंट्री, आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर सी। नेक्स्ट होची द पेशेंट इज एडमिटेड इन हॉस्पिटल अफेक्टिव डायरिया, डायरिया होची ऑप्शन नंबर ए, करेक्ट स्पेलिंग होची ऑप्शन नंबर ए। द बॉय वाज पनिश्ड फॉर dash of similar mistake, repetition, repeat ऑप्शन नंबर ए होची यार करेक्ट आंसर। एनी dash और dash omission and commission, omission omission, commission commission, ए होची आंसर। नेक्स्ट द टेरिबल न्यूज ऑफ इंडिया, इंदिरा गांधी एसेसिनेशन, एसेसिनेशन मीन्स आपनकर ऑप्शन नंबर बी होची आर करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट पढ़िया में क्वेश्चन नंबर इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 116 to 120, ए पैराग्राफ शोस डैश लाइंग इन द कॉर्नर इज लाइंग, कहीं ए पैराग्राफ शोस सिंगुलर नाउन रूपे बहुत होती, तेणु आंसर हम इज। नेक्स्ट इट इज यू हु डैश चीट मी, इट इज यू हु हैव चीटेड मी। नेक्स्ट होची 118 neither of the boys dash watch, neither of the boys have won a prize, neither of the boys ତେଣୁ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ରୂପେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ, ତେଣୁ ଆର ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଜ୍ ହେବ। 60 years dash a long time for a country, ଏଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ନାମ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ, ତେଣୁ ଆର ମଧ୍ୟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଇଜ୍। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍, ଦି କ୍ରିଉ dash rescued from the sunken ship, ଏଠି କ୍ରିଉଟା ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ରୂପେ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହେଇଛି, ତେଣୁ ଦିସ୍ କ୍ରିଉ ୱାଚ୍ ରେସ୍କ୍ୟୁଡ୍, ତେଣୁ ଆର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଡି ୱାଚ୍। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଇଂରେଜୀର ସରିଯାଇଛି, ଆଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ନେଇକି ଆସିବି। ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ ଓ ସେୟାର କରିବାକୁ ଜମା ଭୁଲିବେ ନାହିଁ।